My boys, I know y'all have not seen me in a minute. Let me tell you something. Last week, the whole last week I was sick. So I just ain't feel like, I wasn't feeling well, so I couldn't record. Or like I could record, I just didn't feel like recording. But I did take trades and stuff like that though. But before last week, like those 2.5 weeks before last week, I was on a crazy losing streak. Like I was on the worst losing streak of life ever. Like I had probably had like a few green days, but like overall every single week was red. I lost 2 funded accounts, all type of stuff. But yeah, man, I was just on a really bad losing streak. I was just trading willy-nilly. I wasn't using my strategy at all. I wasn't even, like I had no game plan, like steps to follow when getting into the market every morning. I was just hopping on and just hoping and praying to get some money. And that's just not how this work at all. So yeah, I had a pretty bad losing streak before I really sat back and, watched some of my old videos and relearned, like what I tell people what to do. Because another thing I was doing was like trading every single day. You're not supposed to do that. You're only supposed to trade when you see, a promising setup. Even today, this wasn't like that. This wasn't like the best setup. It also wasn't that bad though. It did what it needed to do. And I only went for a 1 to 2. You see, I could have went 1 to whatever the hell. I could have came back up to pre-market high, and that would have been like a 1 to 4. But I just kept it at a 1 to 2. But if y'all know me, I trade order blocks, so I'm looking for a sweep and then a break of structure, which was right here, and then a dip back into that area. And I got in I got in on the way up because I didn't know if it was going to, react off of it or not, because this candle came all the way down. Let's go down to 1 minute. But yeah, this candle came all the way down through here, so I didn't know if it was going to keep on going. But then it rejected, and then this one started moving up, so I got in about right there. Caught that all the way to the top of this wick. But yeah, it was a cool 1 to 2. Honestly, I could have, held it all up to here, but my nerves just been bad. My nerves just been real bad, and I ain't really been trusting myself after being on that long of a losing streak. So I'm just not getting back into the groove. But yeah, that is it for this recap. I do got a main, like a main video finna drop too. Just going back over like how I fell into a losing streak and how you can avoid that, and the exact steps that I look for getting onto the charts every day. And yeah, so I'm finna record that right now. I'm probably posting in like a few hours, but this going up first because this is just, it's not much to record a trade recap, just show you the trade. To be honest, if this happened at market open, I probably would have been looking for that, but it didn't. So yeah. But anyways, y'all, yep, that's that trade recap. I'm about to record this other video real quick and probably post both of these around the same time. So appreciate y'all both for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord if you're not already in the Discord. Let's get money.